everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to be walking you through the SunSmart School Safety Audit activity. The goal of this activity is to help learners become more proactive about their health and to take the steps to make their school more SunSmart. To do this, they're going to work together to identify what their school is doing well in terms of sun safety and what improvements could be made. This activity is intended to be done with the whole class for students divided into groups. Each group will be given one of the SunSmart requirements to do their research on. There are 8 of these. The school's SunSmart policy, which can also be referred to as the UV policy or the sun protection policy, shade, uniform or dress code, sunscreen, staff role modeling, student engagement and education, communication, and sun protection times and UV levels. For each of these requirements, there is a question sheet. The groups can use these to guide their research and assessment. For example, if a group was given shade as their requirement, they could then fill out this table, recording the shade available in important outdoor areas, and answer questions to help them assess whether it was adequate or not. After each group does their assessment, they can then share their findings with the class. They'll then give their school a rating out of 3 for each requirement, 3 being good and 0 being terrible. The class will then add all of these numbers together to get a total score out of 24. After this, the class can follow up on the audit as much as they like. Perhaps this would be a good opportunity for them to use their voices to improve their school community. The activity requires research and critical thinking skills, and the tasks also vary in complexity, which helps to allow for differentiation. There are loads of other great educational resources on sun safety available on the Twinkl website, especially with Twinkl's new collaboration with SunSmart. So if that's up your alley, make sure you take a look around our website. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.